In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Calendly account. Calendly is a powerful tool that simplifies scheduling by helping you coordinate meetings without the back and forth emails. Whether you're using it for business or personal appointments, setting up an account is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. This is the official website where you can begin the process of creating your account. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure the security of your personal information. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to sign up. Calendly offers a few different ways for you to create your account. You can choose to sign up using Google, Microsoft, or simply with your email address. If you already use Google or Microsoft for your emails and calendar, signing up through these platforms might be the most convenient option, as it allows for seamless integration. Just click on the option that suits you best. If you choose to sign up with email, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. If you opt for Google or Microsoft, you'll be prompted to log into your account, which will then link to Calendly. This step is crucial as it ensures that your Calendly account is synchronized with your existing calendar, helping you avoid any scheduling conflicts. After you've chosen your sign-up method, the next step is to follow the verification process. This usually involves confirming your email address or account details to make sure everything is set up securely. If you've signed up with your email, check your inbox for a verification email from Calendly. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to start setting up your Calendly profile. This is where you can customize your availability, schedule types, and other preferences to tailor the tool to your needs. Take some time to explore the settings and get familiar with the options available to you. This will help you make the most out of your Calendly experience. And there you have it, a brand new Calendly account set up and ready to go. Now you can start scheduling meetings with ease, knowing that Calendly has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!